Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Point. Hope you all are doing great. In our today's video, we will learn how to find solution of a quadratic equation by the method of factorization. So let's move ahead. Solution of a quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Consider the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. What will happen if we replace the x by 1? Let us check it. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, when I replace x by 1, what do we get? 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 2. The square of 1 is 1. 3 multiply 1, that is 3, plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 multiply 1, that is 2. 2 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So they will actually cancel out. 0 is equal to 0. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So what we can say? We can say that x equal to 1 satisfies equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means we can say that x equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is solution of a quadratic equation? It is any value of x which satisfies the given quadratic equation. In general, a real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. We also say that x equal to alpha is the solution of the quadratic equation, or that alpha satisfies the quadratic equation. Note, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are the same. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by the method of factorization. Now, what is the given equation? It is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the first number? First term or first number is 2x square and the last term is 3. We will multiply them. So 2 multiply 3, that is 6x square. Now we have to find two such numbers which when multiplied together will give us 6x square as the product, and when added they should give us minus 5x as the sum. So what are the possible numbers? The possible numbers are minus 3x and minus 2x, because when we multiply them, minus 3x multiplied with minus 2x, we get 6x square. But when we add them, minus 3x added to minus 2x, what do we get? Minus 3x minus 2x, which is equal to minus 5x. So here we will replace the middle term with these two numbers. So what do we get? 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. From these two terms, we can take x common. So what are we left with? 2x minus 3. And from these two terms, we can take minus 1 as common. So we are left with 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, from these two terms, you can see 2x minus 3 is common. So we are left with x minus 1 equal to 0. Now, we will put them equal to 0 one by one. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. X will be equal to 3 over 2. And x minus 1 is equal to 0. X will be equal to 1. That means x equal to 3 by 2 and x equal to 1 are the roots of given equation. Let us understand it with another example. Find the roots of quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, the given equation is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. What is the first term? 3x square. What is the last term? That is 2. Let us multiply them. 3x square multiplied with 2, we get 6x square. Now, we have to find two numbers such that when we multiply them, we should get 6x square as the product. But when we add them, we should get minus 2 root 6x. So what are the possible numbers? The possible numbers are minus root 6x multiplied with minus root 6x. See, when we multiply them, minus cancel with minus, and root 6 when multiplied with root 6, we get 6, and x multiplied with x, we get x square. But what happens when we add them? Minus root 6x added to minus root 6x. What do we get? Minus root 6x plus minus minus root 6x. So how many root 6 are there? There are 2 root 6x. So we have got two such numbers. So let us replace these numbers in the given equation. It implies, what do we get? 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you see, it looks like we cannot take anything common. No, it is not so. We can take. Before taking anything common, we have to modify them. Now, this is 3. How can we write 3? 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied with root 3 x square. How can we write root 6? It can be written as the product of root 3 and root 2. Same, I will write root 6x root 3 multiplied with root 2 x. And how can we write 2? 2 can be written as root 2 multiplied with root 2 is equal to 0. So Now it is easier for us to take common. From the first and second term, we can take root 3 and x as common. So when we take root 3x as common, we are left with root 3x minus root 2 from here. Now, from the third and fourth term, what can be taken common? It is root 2. We can take root 2 common. So what do we get? Minus root 2. And what are we left with? Root 3x. Now, as we have taken minus common, so this plus sign will change into minus. Root 2 is equal to 0. Now, as you can see, root 3x minus root 2 is further, we can take it common. So what are we left with in the second bracket? We are left with root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Right. Now let us put them equal to 0 one by one. So root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 3x is equal to root 2. So what do we get? X will be equal to root 2 divided by root 3. And same we will get when we put the second term equal to 0. X will come out root 2 over root 3 from the second term as well. This method is also known as splitting of middle term method. So hope you understood the method of factorization for finding the roots of a quadratic equation. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for joining this video. Please share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.